This video will cover the most essential emergency items you need in your vehicle. This first one is centered around your vehicle's tires. The factory standard tire iron from the dealership is completely useless. It gives you no leverage whatsoever. Get one of these from an automotive parts store. Keep it under your seat and you're good to go. If you have extra room in your vehicle, a length of steel pipe that will fit at a right angle over one of the tire iron spokes. It will be a force multiplier, giving you the extra leverage you might need. Get that at any hardware store. Cut it to the length you want. Pro tip: it's a good idea to periodically check your spare tire to ensure it is fully inflated. Towards that end, also get a small air compressor that plugs into a spare electrical outlet, previously known as a cigarette lighter. Make sure it has a long electrical cord, a spiral quick connect air hose, and most importantly, get one that screws onto the tire's valve stem. It makes a solid seal when pumping air into the tire. It pumps slowly, but I have used it many times. These are available on Amazon. Also, in the tire section of this video, get a tire plug kit. I have two here, a deluxe kit and a basic kit. The deluxe one is suited towards thicker, larger, heavy-duty tires. It features a pair of gloves, instructions, a small razor utility tool, the tire reamer, and the tire plug tool thingy, I guess that's what you'd call it, and of course the plugs themselves. It also has a very comprehensive valve stem kit. You can repair just about every part of the valve stem, and it has a pair of pliers and a tire pressure gauge. I also like to keep some rubber cement on hand. I am a prepper. We think these things out. I will coat the tire plug and the hole in the tire before inserting the plug. The basic kit has the tire reamer and plug tool, a cutting tool, and the plugs themselves. It is perfect for a simple automobile. I will probably put this one in my wife's car. I also keep a can of Flat Fix, quick inflate tire inflator. If your tire seems like it's leaking air pressure and you do not find a screw or nail in it, it could very well be that the valve stem is leaking. Attach and spray the entire can to inflate your tire, but immediately drive at least a mile or two so that the fluid will spread around. I have used this a couple of times, and it really does work. Moving on to the next item, it is essential to be able to jump-start your battery if there is no one around who can use jumper cables to help you start your vehicle. Do you have jumper cables, right? They look like this. Spend the extra cash and get good ones. This is the Energizer brand. It is a 1000 amp lithium jump starter with a USB wireless charger for your smartphone, reverse polarity cables, and a plug-in USB car adapter to charge the unit. Things tend to go wrong or break down at night, so it's best to have a reliable flashlight, one that recharges. I have the Adepro NT21, a nice LED light with a 1200 lumen output, and the body features an anti-roll design and magnetic USB charging cable and a waist belt case, military-grade aluminum, a nice light. I filmed a video review and will put the link in the description of this video. Next is emergency road flares. 2 or 3 will work. Place them when needed. Start the first flare about 10 feet behind your car, then place additional ones extending backward. Highway/high-speed roads. Use a wider spread. First flare, approximately 10 feet behind your vehicle. Second flare, approximately 100 feet behind. Third flare, approximately 200 feet behind. This creates a gradual warning zone for faster traffic. Just keep them clean and dry. Tools, basic ones, that will be handy. Know if your vehicle is standard or metric. 2 screwdrivers, a flathead, and a Phillips. A crescent wrench, sockets, and a ratchet with a graduation of socket sizes. Pliers, needle nose, and regular. Whatever you think you may need. Last of all is something I hope no one needs to use. But if this situation happens, you will be glad you had it nearby, and I do mean have it nearby, either on your keychain, key fob, or attached to your sun visor. This is the Rescue Me window breaker and seatbelt cutter. Pull the tab, cut your seatbelt, place the black end to the corner of the window, and press hard. as your life depends on it, and it probably will. Thanks for watching. If you think of an emergency item you included in your vehicle, let everyone know in the comments below. Some of these items are available in my Amazon store. See the link in the description of this video. Prepper Action out, and as always, be safe out there.